Every abandoned building has a story about how it got that way, whether it's an urban legend or the truth. Rotting, crumbling, or completely invaded by nature, abandoned buildings can be as creepy as they are fascinating. Today, let's see top 10 abandoned places in the world. Come, let's get started. The first one is Bannerman Castle, Polypal Island, New York. Francis Bannerman VI built a huge storing space after buying the American military surplus from the Spanish War. However, much of the castle was destroyed following a massive explosion of ammunition in 1920. Thereafter, the remaining of the castle was abandoned. The second one is Dundas Castle, New York. The elegant New York castle was designed by architect Branford L. Gilbert for his Scottish wife Anna Dundas. But even before the completion of the structure, Gilbert died and Dundas committed herself to a sanatorium. So, though none got a chance to live in it, there are legends about the ghost of Dundas that roam through halls of the abandoned castle. Third one is Miranda Castle, Belgium. The Count Ledecaq Beaufort, a Belgian political activist, was forced to leave his home and to move with his family to a neighboring land during the French Revolution. In 1866, the English architect Edward Milner was commissioned to build a summer home. But before the castle was completed, Milner died. Thereafter, the castle served as a camp for the Nazis during World War II, a holiday camp under National Railway Company of Belgium, and an orphanage. Finally, the castle was abandoned in 1991 due to high maintenance costs. Fourth one is Kilchurn Castle, Scotland. Built in the mid 1400s, Kilchurn Castle has served as the home to some of the most powerful people in Scotland. But despite its striking location, it was abandoned in 1700s and remains to be only a prime photography location. Fifth one is Bodiam Castle, England. Built in the 14th century, East Sussex, England, to protect the area against the French. The castle survived several wars before it was finally abandoned. Today, it stands as a popular tourist attraction in England. Sixth one is Doom Homes, Florida, a little off the coast of Marco Island in Cape Romano. The Dome Homes is the structure that was built as a vacation home. However, the alien spacecraft-like structure eventually became abandoned following a series of hurricanes and the declining coastline. Seventh one is Krakow, Italy. The small hill town in Basilicata, South Italy, came into existence in 540 AD. But the town's location ultimately became the reason for its downfall. Due to the poor agriculture, the landslide of 1963, the flood of 1972, and the continued instability of the slope on which the town was located, Krakow was eventually abandoned totally by early 1990s. However, it was seen again in the popular movie The Passion of the Christ. Eighth one is Kayakoy, Turkey. Nestled among the Taurus Mountains, Kayakoy town in Turkey had been deserted since the 1920s due to the political population exchange with Greece. With over 350 vacant homes, it is one of the popular abandoned places in the world. Ninth one is Fordlandia, Brazil. Established by Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motors in 1927. Fordlandia was invented to be a huge rubber plantation in the Amazon forest. Ford planned a corporate city surrounding it with every kind of imaginary luxury. Swimming pool, a golf course, bungalows, and even a place for practicing national American dances. All these were supposed to be part of the cooperative city. But the idea of liquor ban infuriated the native workers who threw the cars into the river and chased away the manager into the jungle in 1930. Since there, the city had been abandoned. Last one is Whitley Court, Worcestershire, England. The 19th century palatial Whitley Court never managed to fully recover to its former glory after the devastating fire of 1937. After some restoration to the huge estate, this otherwise abandoned place now serves as a tourist place. Visitors can wander through the gardens. This is all about today's video. Please subscribe our channel and become genius in your life. Thanks for watching.